Welcome, today I'm showing how to disable Quick Launch into a Xiaomi Pad 5. First of all, open your settings. Then in this menu of settings write additional settings, this one. Then here find Gangster shortcuts. And how you can see we got 5 options of our Quick Launch. And for example, I want to disable launch camera option. Go into this menu and here we got 2 options, double press to power button and double press to volume down when the screen is locked. So for disable this option, tap on the switcher and this position of switcher is disable of option and this. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.